Hi guys, welcome back to Sue's All-in-One channel. In today's video, I'm showing you two amazing things of Japan. One is the convenience stores and the other one is the vending machines. Actually, both vending machines and convenience stores are very common in Japan. If you just have a look around, you'll definitely find one. And also, they're also available in airports, malls, and all bus stations and train stations as well. Actually, in this video, I'll be showing a few things which is available here and what are the facilities available, uh, especially for the vegetarians. If you're in Japan, this will be very useful. And there are a couple of items which we can actually, get here. So now let's go inside and have a small tour about this. Okay, come, let's go.
As the name states, these convenience stores just make our stay and travel in Japan very convenient. These just name the item and you'll get it here. All the items, including food, stationery, and basic necessities, are available. They have a wide range of bakery products available here, such as buns, dorayakis, donuts, stuffed buns, cream buns, or just bread and jam. They also have cup noodles, ramen, and frozen noodles available here, but they don't have any vegetarian options in this section. A wide range of chips available and popcorn and salted chips for the vegetarians in this section. This store also has a section for basic things such as salt, sugar, sauce, ketchup, mayonnaise, condensed milk, and for all other kinds of sauces available in the market. And it also has cooking oil. These stores will have a lot of ready-made Japanese food and frozen food also. The best part is they have a microwave or an oven in the stores where you can heat the food and have it right away. These stores will have tables and chairs where we can sit, relax, and have our food as well. The best part is they also have free Wi Fi available in the stores, so this will be very convenient when you're traveling in Japan. So, these are the frozen items available in the store. They also have few frozen fruits and vegetables. In the frozen section for the vegetarians, there is one margarita pizza available. You can use the microwave in the stores to heat this. There is one more option available for vegetarians, that is a fruit-based sandwich. These stores will have a wide range of salads and pickled vegetables. These stores will also have a wide range of dairy products. They include tofu, milk, curd, flavored yogurt, smoothies, cold coffee, milk tea, and even black tea. They have a wide range of juices in the store, and the Japanese cold green tea is a must try when you're in Japan. A variety of ice creams are also available. A matcha flavored ice cream is also available in the store. They have these ice cups using which you can make your own iced tea or iced coffee using the vending machines in the store. They also have alcoholic beverages available in the store, which includes the traditional Japanese sake. These stores will also have basic things such as tissues, toothbrushes, and toothpaste. They will also have men and women cosmetics available in the store. They have other services like rental bikes, Amazon parcel pickup and drop services. They also support government services such as insurance and tax payment at their counters. The store also has some Apple accessories such as cables, chargers, adapters, and batteries. They also have a corner for stationery which has different kinds of markers, pens, and other stationery items. This is a Japanese technology pen which comes with the eraser, and this is just fantastic. They have some seasonal products such as caps, gloves, umbrellas, and even raincoats. They have various payment systems for purchase in their store. They support card money such as Suica, Nanako and EdiPay. They also support all varieties of credit cards. They also accept mobile payments such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, Line Pay and others. They have a ATM machine and photocopiers in their store to support printouts. They also have restrooms, and these convenience stores are open 24 by 7. The next wonderful thing about Japan are the vending machines, and these are just available in the nook and corner of the country. You can find them in airports, bus stations, train stations, hospitals, and even in malls. These vending machines will have water, different kinds of juice, coffee, and tea. Vending machines will have drinks both cold and hot. Red ones are hot and blue ones are cold. We also have hot corn soup and hot chocolate available. Rates of these drinks do not exceed 200 yen. This is an ice cream vending machine with a variety of ice cream flavors available. This is a snack vending machine with some buns and chips. I hope this video was informative and you guys enjoyed watching it. If you have liked this video, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have an amazing day.